Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing this is going to be like an in-depth 3-strand twist out. Yeah, products that I got from Antoinette Hair Care. Their Instagram right there. Make sure you check her out. So the owner of this hair brand reached out to me and asked me to try out some of her products and give an honest review about it. So that's what I'm gonna do. So on my hair today, I'm gonna be using the Moisture Repair Elixir with hibiscus and needle leaf extract. It says that it promotes hair growth by moisturizing hair shaft, strengthening hair follicle, and repairing damaged ends. And then I'm also gonna be using the shea butter and hibiscus extract moisture repair cream infused with hibiscus and needle leaves for dry, damaged hair. Moisturize, strengthen, and repair. All right, so she also sent me some lotion. Moisturizing body lotion with cocoa butter, sparkling grapefruit bellini. As you can see, I've already started using this one. Sent the lotion. I've been trying, yeah, definitely like the lotion. Of course, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll put her right there. And if you do not follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on the gram right there. Yeah, let's get into this video. Spraying her as I go. I'm also trying something else out. This just looks like regular water, but I just picked up some aloe vera juice. So I want to see how that works, incorporating it into my regimen. I'm not going to drench my hair. I just want it to be a little damp. When it comes to me and oils, I like for my oil to have either tea tree oil like in the mix or some kind of peppermint like, or you know that feeling you get when you use tea tree oil or anything with tea tree oil in it? That's what I love in my oils. If I have an oil that doesn't have that already in it, then I add some to get that. And so with this oil, I definitely smell. Only thing I'm not familiar with a lot of these oils. There's a lot of oils in here. She has coconut oil in here, castor seed oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, rice bran oil, hibiscus flower, extract, needle leaf, lavender essential oil. So I don't know what it is that's giving it that smell, but it definitely smells like tea tree oil. This one has is that shea butter? Shea butter. It smells like shea butter. It's not, there's no real big fragrance on it like the oil or the lotion. This is more neutral. This is the texture. You got focus. It's thick. Like I'm holding this thing upside down and she is thick. Start off with a dollop. She's thick. I think I'm gonna need some more water to work this through. So with 3-strand twists, of course you're gonna start with 3 strands. And basically you're going to be wrapping these strands around each other in the same direction, and they each have a turn in line that they need to keep in line. So it's like that motion, but I'm going to grip her a little bit tighter. Hey guys, So this is like a whole week later, and I'm about to actually wash my hair. And I was editing the footage you were just watching. I was editing it today, and you can kind of see how to do the 3-strand twist, but I want to make it crystal clear. Like, I really want this video to be somewhat transformative for some of my curl friends out there who, you know, have reached out to me on Instagram and stuff, just saying, you know, I've given up on 3-strand twist. Nothing has helped me. So I hope this demonstration is clear and concise and, you know, kind of helps the rest of the footage in explaining how to do it. So I have a section of hair right here, okay? I'm going to split this section into 3 sections right here. And I'm going to put some red hair paint wax on one section, okay? I'm gonna put some purple hair paint wax on this section, okay? So hopefully this will help kind of get a better view of what it is I'm actually doing. So something else I want to mention is that, you know, when you do your 2-strand twist, like, there's different ways to twist. And so maybe when we were younger, we twisted in a way, we just twist the braids, you know, basic twisting them. Nothing with our fingers or anything, just twisting it, and when you would let it go, it would unravel. And then probably going through being a natural, you learned, oh, it's like a certain flick of the wrist you gotta do as you twist in order to keep it twisted when you let go. So when you do a 3-strand twist, you're not doing the exact same technique that you do when you do a 2-strand twist. That little flick, that little twist before you switch. I hope I'm making sense. You're not doing that. You're doing that basic twisting or switching each section. You're just doing the basic one that you probably learned really early in life. You know, there's no flick of the wrist. You'll probably see it better with the color like this. And so I guess since there's like 3 strands, it doesn't unravel like it would when you do that same technique with 2 strands. So let's get into this. So I have my 3 strands, right? This is going to be strand, I'm going to twist to the right. So this is going to be strand 1, this is going to be strand 2, and this is going to be strand 3. Now, a little analogy that helped me a lot was these 3 guys are in a line and they have to stay in order. One can't end up in front of the other one before it's turned, and vice versa. No cutsies, no frontsies, no backsies. Everybody stays in order. So I take my strand number 1 and I bring it over behind the other 2. Okay, and then I take strand number 2 and I bring that over back where it was, behind strand number 1. And then I take strand number 3 and bring that over behind strand number 2. And so basically you just repeat that step. Now some people, you know, everyone holds their hair differently. You're gonna have to figure out your own comfort in that. But the same. They stay in line. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And you get your 3-strand twist starts to form. It's 1, 2, 3. And you can kind of see them in order. You got purple, black, red, purple, black, red, purple, black, red, okay? There's an order that they have to stay in order, they have to stay in line. And that's how you basically 3-strand twist. Now I didn't twist all the way to the bottom, but you can see she didn't unravel, okay? So hopefully this, hopefully this pre-breakdown will help the next clips make a little bit more sense, okay? And then I'm doing my twist towards the right. So there, I don't know how it looks on camera, but I'm twisting towards the right. And each person, so this is strand 1, strand 2, and strand 3. They have to go in order. No cuts, no backsies, no frontsies. They stay in line and stay in order. So here we go. 2, 3. All right, so everyone's back in line. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Just keep going. Twist it down. Clean that up some more. So now I think I'm going to finish this off at the bottom with a regular twist. Definitely feels nice and moisturized. Definitely a lot of moisture in these products. To be honest, I was a little concerned about how any of my results would look because I'm used to having some kind of gel to use. I wanted to use a gel with this so bad, but I'm trying out her products, just her products, so I didn't want to, you know, mess that up. Or sometimes adding mixing products can take away from what, you know, finding out what that product does by itself. So that's what I'm doing. No gel, I'm not too concerned. It's a really thick and moisturizing product. And so I think that the curls are gonna clump together fairly well. So to my, you know, my hypothesis. So we'll see how it turns out when we take these out tomorrow. So I will come back tomorrow for the takedown. right guys, so it's the next day and I'm getting ready to take out my 3-strand twist. I feel like it feels pretty dry. And one thing I did notice, like the amount of moisture that these products still have the next day is a little bit crazy. I'm gonna be putting some of the oil on my hands. So let me give my thoughts on both of these. Both of these from Antoinette Hair Care. The oil. I love the oil. Like I was saying earlier, I love that mentholy, pepperminty scent and feeling that's in here. I'm gonna have to ask her what it is, but those same properties that I really love in my oils. So this is definitely a keeper, and when this is gone, I'm gonna have to place an order. She did send me, I think I mentioned this earlier, she did send me these products for free to give my honest opinion about. I didn't have to pay for this, but I'm not gonna, you know, I love my hair to the moon and back. And so if I find a product that's, you know, not beneficial to my hair or I didn't think really worked, I would not be raving about it, okay? I don't like bashing people, but I will keep it cute and professional about my opinion. But yeah, the oil, love the oil. Now this cream, I will be honest, I really wanted to grab a gel and add it to my hair when I was doing it, but this is Antoinette Products. So I only used the cream, and this stuff took me by surprise. Like, it's really thick, and maybe that's why it helped provide such a good hold. I don't know what it is, but these curls speak for themselves, honey, okay? These curls speak for themselves. Moisture, like the amount of moisture on my hair right now is just redonkulous. I will leave a link below where you guys can go and check out her products and make a purchase if you feel like it. But yeah, these curls, man, these curls. I'm done. Yes, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up for me. It lets me know that you guys liked the content that I'm bringing. Also, click that subscribe button if you have not already. And you can follow your girl on the gram. Follow me on the gram for updates on how this holds up. How the, this curl right here is just, okay. Yes, on how this holds up. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope